feel like so creep. Yeah, like I was born in the 90s, but like I was of age in the 90s, you know? So what's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, and I am back with another video. This video I'm showing you how I mold and style my short Pixie. I'm calling this my 90s nayecole because all the tea, honey. Yes. If you guys want to know how I achieve this look, stay tuned. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. My hair is freshly co-washed right now. So from here, I'm going to put a little bit of coconut oil in it. I use coconut oil like my leave-in conditioner, my protector, my provider, everything. So I'm just massaging that in, not too much because you don't want it to weigh down your hair or make your hair look greasy once it's dry. I have done that before. I'm then taking this coconut oil weightless hydrating mist from Organics. I think that's what they call it. Just giving a couple sprays. Right? There you go. I already know. Nairobi. I'm trying to be lighter with the Nairobi. I be OD. Taking the comb and just molding. I hate when I do that. Combing it out. So that there is like a center point in my head and just combing around.
Brian Little.
Yoga.
Now that it is molded down, well, not, you know, but like down, just take a little bit more Nairobi. That part right there. Make sure it is smooth. about to go run some errands. And it should take me like maybe like 2 hours, not maybe. And then I'm gonna come back, and once it's dry, I will show you guys. I'm not sitting underneath the dryer today. I'm just gonna let it dry on its own. But I'll probably put on a hat or something. I gotta, yeah, I'll probably put this on. Just tuck the ends. Boom. I'll be back to show y'all what it looks like. Now my hair is completely dry, like completely dry. I honestly left it wrapped up for about dang near 4 hours. I went to the coffee shop and got some stuff handled, situated. But I am back to reveal what it looks like. This is what my hair looks like. Y'all, I'm loving this cut. Like, the black is looking good, but I know the blonde is gonna be like, damn! The only thing that, like, I feel like my waves kind of like got off. I could like fix it, but I'm gonna just leave it alone because it's late regardless. I'm gonna call this like my 90s look. Like, what do y'all think? This is giving me 90s Nia Long, you know, short hair like Nia Long. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. As always, be loved. Most importantly, be light. Peace.